Hey, what's up? Today we're going to talk about the Finder. The Finder is useful for finding, oddly enough, and it's set up and you can customize it, and once you get the hang of how it's all laid out, you're going to do just fine in figuring out organization for yourself on the Mac. So first of all, let's open up the Finder. The Finder is docked, and so when you click on it, it pops up. You've got a sidebar area over here that gives you quick links to various locations, and then depending on which location you have selected, it's going to show what is in that folder. You can change the different views up here at the top to be more of a list view or column view, or even something like that in a gallery view, or thumbnails. So depending on how you like to visualize it, you can totally customize that that area of your Finder. So first of all, accessing it is down here in the dock. Let's talk about the sidebar. So one thing that's really useful is to put shortcuts over into the sidebar of folders that you use a lot. Right? So I've got some automatically set up, like the desktop and downloads and those sorts of things. What you can do is, with the Finder open, and you'll know that that window is selected when the Finder pops up in the bar up here, go to Settings, and you can choose which elements you want in that sidebar simply by clicking on it. Right? So I like to have downloads because I'm always accessing that. Documents, I don't really access that folder a lot. Desktop I do. Applications, airdrops, recents, those are all ones that I use quite frequently. Right? So what you can do then, if you want to add elements that don't show up here in that checkbox, like for instance when you connect to Google Drive and you open that up and you have your digital art or graphic design folder that's on the drive, all you have to do is to click on that folder and drag it over to the sidebar, and now it's linked. So at the beginning of this school year, I want to create a new folder for the school year 24-25. So out with the old, in with the new. So what I can do for that old folder that was there from last year is simply click and drag that off, and it disappears. Right? So really easy to customize that, the links on the side. The other thing that I'd recommend that you get used to is play around with tags. So you can choose what tags to have or not have in this area of the Finder settings. Right? So again, you access that Finder settings, and then you can do these different areas to customize it. Right now I just have red, orange, and purple tags. So when I come down to my tags over here and click on red, whatever's tagged with red is going to show up here. Same thing with orange, same thing with purple. Now these are items that I know in my head that I want to access really quickly, and so I have those tags set up. So tags are super useful, and it's just a good idea to stay organized right at the beginning of the school year. Get your head wrapped around the use of Finder so that you can quickly and easily access all the files and documents that you need.